So we're at the Long Point Trail today. It's 1.6 mile either way. It's like a moderate trail. So come on, check it out. This trail is pretty easy so far. It's just like this little gravel walkway. So the trailhead, it's not really that far from the neighborhood bridge. Maybe like a mile or 5. So we come up across this. I guess it's just like overview, scenic overlook. Not sure. Just kind of shows you the wildflowers. I think it's handicap accessible. Pretty easy. You just gotta watch out for the roots and mountain bikers. So you gotta keep your heads up for that. It's a flat and it kind of gradually goes down, which means on our way out it's gonna be harder. But for the most part, it's all shaded and pretty easy. So, but we're getting pretty close to the end where we can see the gorge. All kinds of rhododendrons. Root. We're getting close. Kind of a rhododendron tunnel. Kind of cool. Lots of roots. Here's a train down there. That's the end of the swell on the other side, and so hopefully make it over there sometime. On there, train. So we passed a couple guys. They said go to clean the end, so we're gonna go clean the end. Oh yeah, look at that. That is cool. There you go, brother. America. A long way down there.
That's where we go, Hal.
Oh man, look at that. I didn't realize you could see the other side of the bridge from here. How awesome is that? Definitely cool. Yeah, I don't think you can see it very good with this lens. I'll switch out the lens. I'll be back. It's gonna be a little shaky. This is the trip that the reason I bought this lens. Because I wanted to be able to do this trip. Wife, Lori, she's like wife's freaking out. Right there's the edge. And down there's the water. Sorry about the shaking. So, way down there is where the old bridge used to be, where it is, and we're gonna go see it. Long way down there. They said it took like 45 minutes an hour down, and then across, and then back up. And that's why they put the bridge in. Now you can get across in like 2 minutes. Beautiful views out here. We're gonna head on out of here, head back to the car. Thanks for joining us. Till next time.